Good afternoon. Well, despite the sunny skies out there today, it's a real struggle with the temperatures after a bitterly cold night. Today, we'll just be seeing highs of around 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. Through this evening and tonight then, another clear and cold one, widespread frost across the region. Temperatures well below freezing again for many of us. And there's just the chance first thing tomorrow morning of 1 or 2 showers drifting onto the south coast, and those could give rise to some icy patches first thing. Otherwise, tomorrow starting on a dry and bright note. Again, a chilly one, but cloud thickening from the west later ahead of a spell of snow. Good afternoon. Well, despite the dry and sunny weather out there today, it is feeling bitterly cold. Temperatures just a few degrees above freezing after a very chilly and frosty start. As we head through this evening and tonight, it stays dry and clear overhead, and that again giving rise to plummeting temperatures of widespread frost too. And by dawn, perhaps 1 or 2 showers drifting onto the south coast, giving rise to some icy stretches here. Into tomorrow then, another dry and fairly bright day, perhaps not quite as sunny as today, and nevertheless, even with the sunshine, it will be cold again. Later on, thickening cloud from the west, bringing the arrival of some rain, sleet and snow. Good morning. It's a bitterly cold start out there, a widespread frost across the region, and that's not where the wintry weather stops, because as the day wears on, we will see Met-Office warnings coming into force for both snow and ice, and for parts of Oxfordshire, that warning will be amber in colour. But for now, this is how things are looking. The bulk of the day largely dry, bright or sunny spells for a time before the cloud starts to thicken from the south and west. But even in the best of the brightness, it will be a cold day, highs of just 5 or 6 degrees. And then after dark, it looks as though that snow will arrive. Good morning. It's a cold and a frosty start out there for just about all of us, and the wintry weather doesn't stop there, because later on we'll see a Met-Office warning coming into force for snow and ice as snow starts to move in from the south and west. For now though, this is how things are looking. 1 or 2 showers in the mix, giving some icy surfaces initially, but actually for the bulk of the day it will be dry, some bright or sunny spells, but another cold one with highs of just 4 or 5 Celsius. It's after dark as more rain starts to head our way. As it hits that cold air, it will readily turn to snow for a time.